Hello, everyone. My name is Derek. I'm joined by my classmates Milan and Luis. We're here today to discuss beluga whales, but more specifically, the natural history and potential effects of climate change. For the beluga family, their kingdom is Animalia, their phylum is Chordata, their class is Mammalia, the order is Cetacea, their family is Montodontidae, their genus is Delphinepterus, and their species is Lucus. For the introduction of beluga whales were first discovered in 1849 by Peter Simon, who was a photojournalist. Belugas are known for their distinctive white color. Unlike other whale species, their bones in their neck are not fused together, so they can move their head up and down and side to side. They can even make different facial expressions just like humans. Beluga whales are considered to be one of the smartest whale species. Beluga whales live in the Arctic Ocean and are common in nearby seas in the northern hemisphere. They are also common in shallow waters offshore of Alaska, Russia, and Greenland, as this map of their range shows. This map shows you a better visual image of the areas where beluga whales are located. Some cool facts about beluga whales. Despite being considered a toothed whale, beluga whales do not chew their food. Instead, they swallow their prey whole. The word beluga comes from a Russian word named bilo, meaning white. Beluga whales are also called the sea canaries, and they are among one of the most vocal of all the whale species. These marine mammals have an amazing and unique range of vocalizations.
Next up, we have how do beluga whales communicate. Belugas produce a variety of sounds from their air sacs, which can be found in the melon. These sounds can vary from clicks, squeaks, and/or whistles. In 2012, a captive beluga whale learned to mimic human speech. Here's a little video on the beluga sounds. Next up, we have echolocation. Another set of sounds is produced for echolocation, which is a process by which the animals create a high-frequency sound wave and monitor their echoes to pinpoint an object's location. Echolocation is used for prey detection, food capture, and navigating. A beluga can actually direct the sounds it produces from its melon, which is just found between the blowhole and snout. Next up, we have reproduction. Belugas reproduce seasonally, which usually occurs between February and June. Beluga whales are mammals and give birth. Belugas tend to become sexually active at 6 to 14 years old, and the female can produce about 12 calves over her lifetime until she reaches the age of 46. Baby calves tend to weigh between 136 to 196 pounds. Next up, we have diet. Like all other toothed whales, belugas are carnivores, eating around 27 kilograms, which is equivalent to 60 pounds of food per day. Octopus, crabs, shrimp, clams, snails, and sandworms are among their invertebrate foods. Salmon, candlefish, cod, herring, smelt, and flatfish are the fish they consume. Their foraging dives can last up to 35 minutes. Throughout the beluga's Arctic habitat, polar bears and killer whales are known to be their predators.
Habitat and migration. During the summer months, they move towards shallow coastal waters from September till around May. They are usually found in deeper waters around 1,000 meters in depth. The reason for their diving towards deeper water during these months is due to the ice freezing the shallow water and they lose access to their breathing holes. Climate change. Climate change, hunting oil and gas production, and industrial and urban emissions are all threats to beluga whales. They become more vulnerable to ice entrapment as weather conditions become more erratic, frequent, and severe as a result of climate change. As the amount of carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere, it is expected that the frequency of ice entrapment deaths will increase as well. While the overall population of beluga whales is currently high, it is important to remember that there are fewer now than they were 50 years ago. In certain regions, the beluga population declines have been dramatic, owing mostly to overhunting by humans for their meat, skin, and blubber, but the biggest reason has been the pollution in their habitat. Some of the threats that these whales face are from contaminants from oil and gas productions as well as urban emissions. Roughly about 210 million gallons alone enter the ocean yearly, not including the additional 180 million gallons that is produced from natural seepage, according to the National Academy of Science, Engineering, and Medicine. So as you can see, we ourselves are the main reason for the decline in the beluga whale species. Conclusion: belugas are listed as endangered under the Endangered Species Act. There are many causes contributing to this, some including pollution, habitat degradation, harassment, and interactions with the commercial fishing fleets. As of now, the population is estimated to be around 60,000 to 80,000 according to SeaWorld. Overall, beluga whales are one of the most interesting sea animals, and it is tragic to see them endangered. We hope belugas can once again thrive in the coming future.